Hello everyone, I'm back everyone. So, galing ako sa Hello, bibihin ako. Bibihin ako is in my bag. Nilamig ka ba? So, galing ako sa Treasure Factory which is very near in my apartment. So, galing ako doon and then meron ako nakitang mga kakikayan talaga everyone. And wala lang, nakita ko lang parang bagay sa amin ni Maganda. Inday Mika Chang. Actually, it's only 98 yen. And dalawa yung kinuha ko, tag-isa kami. So look at this. Look at this. Natawa si Daddy when pakita ko to kay Daddy. Look at Daddy, it's just like Mommy. So wala lang. So yeah, ito yung nakita ko doon. Wala lang kasi parang na-stuck yung pot ko. No, parang na-frozen delight yung pot ko dito sa loob ng bahay. So, sabi ko, gusto kong maglakad-lakad. So, actually, it's I'm very near a Treasure Factory here in my place. So, and then I found this one, parang bagay sa amin ni Inday Mika Chang. So, yeah. Cute. Parang kami lang. So, I found this one there. So, nakitan talaga ako as in so cute, no? So, tag-isa kami nito. So, tag-isa kami. So, yeah. And then also, may nakita akong pink pillow na 198 lang. And it's so very thrift talaga. No? So, it's so very thrift talaga. So, buksan natin. This is a new pillow. It's 198 lang. So, there. So, talagang, it's more fun in thrift store talaga as in everyone. It's more fun at thrift store. So, this is the pillow. I think it's so cute. Look at bibihin ako. Look at bibihin ako the pillow. So cute. Oh. So cute. Oh. Lagay natin siya dyan. Oh. Dito pala. Oh. So, ang cute ng pillow ko. So, that is 198 yun lang. So, more fun at treasure talaga. Talagang wala lang. Kasi that's a very near store in my apartment. So, then lang talaga. And then, nakita lang talaga ako this one, everyone. So cute talaga. So, and this the pillow. This is what I found today. No? So, yeah, today. So, it's a thrift shopping. Wala lang today. And I think it's so cute. Bye! It's a Monday and yeah, I need to get ready of my things to bring for the escapade to Hokkaido. And have a lovely day everyone and kisses. So cute! I love it. So this is my old Greenwich Speedy bag, 25 everyone. And then dito ko siya nilagay. I think she's very cute. My God, look at this. Sa totoo lang talaga everyone. Gusto kong lumabas kaso lang. Ang init sa labas. Sinantok ako. Gusto kong mag-shopping sa labas.